In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to WordPress website, 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head to calendly.com. On the top right, click Login, enter the email address associated with your account, hit continue, then type your password and continue into your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage where your event types are listed. Choose the event you want people to book on your site, then click Share. In the sharing options, select Add to Website. You'll see a few embed choices. For this tutorial, pick Inline Embed, which places the scheduler directly on your page so visitors can book without opening a new window. Click Continue to proceed. Calendly will generate an embed snippet for you. Click Copy Code. This code includes everything your page needs to load the scheduler, so make sure you copy it exactly as provided. Now switch over to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Pages, click Add New to create a fresh page for your booking calendar. Give the page a clear name like Book a Meeting so visitors know exactly what it's for. In the block editor, click the plus icon, then choose Browse All to open the full block library. Search for and select the custom HTML block. This block lets you add code safely without WordPress trying to reformat it. Click inside the custom HTML area and paste the Calendly code you copied earlier. Before publishing, click Preview to confirm everything is working. You should see the Calendly scheduler load within the page preview. If it doesn't appear immediately, wait a couple of seconds or switch between preview modes. Also double check that you pasted the entire code snippet and didn't miss any characters. If your site uses caching, you may need to refresh the preview or view it in a private window to see changes. When it looks good, click Publish to make the page live. Open the published page and test a booking flow yourself to ensure the time zones, availability, and confirmation steps work as expected. If you ever want to adjust colors, text, or size, you can return to the Calendly embed options for that event, update the settings there, and replace the code on your WordPress page. That's it. You've embedded your Calendly event directly into your WordPress site, giving visitors a smooth on-page way to book time with you. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.